Welcome to Software Engineering. Since I'm making you create an introductory video, I figured I should make a new one this semester also and put myself through the same trauma. I always have a problem where I want to keep editing it, making it better, taking out awkward pauses, and I just want you to do this casually. So I'm going to try to do it casually too and not edit it all up. I just want to get to know you a little better, get to know who you are, and find out how I can help you be more successful in this class. So my name is Jocelyn Richardt, and I actually graduated from UW-Stout in 1991. From there, I moved out to Silicon Valley, and I worked for a variety of different companies. I started at IBM, and there I worked on some programs for managing satellites, and I didn't really like having the security clearance and all the secrecy stuff, so I ended up leaving IBM after a couple of years and went to a manufacturing company called Selectron. And there we wrote a workflow management system for the really expensive cards that get processed through the shop floor. I ended up being the technical lead on that project as my second job. Things changed. People that I liked working with left, so I started looking at another place where I could grow my skills and contribute more. So I ended up working at a little aerospace company, did some projects there, and then I kind of got into the .com boom. I worked at Real.com. It doesn't exist anymore, but it really had great movie content in it, and we were actually bought out by Hollywood Video. I did a stint at Mediaflex.com, and it was just a great opportunity to learn new technologies, try to get the software out the door fast. Ended up working some really long weeks. 1 week was a 100-hour week, and if you think about that, that's not a lot of other hours in the week besides for sleeping, but I was young and it was a lot of fun. As the .coms were kind of falling back, investors weren't throwing as much money at it, I ended up at Adobe Systems, and there I worked on a variety of different projects. Probably the biggest one that I did by myself was the PDF to PDF archive converter, and also the SVG, Scalable Vector Graphics. It's an XML, the markup language, to do graphics. And so I wrote a converter that took the scalable graphics and turned them into the PDF graphics, which are also scalable. Then I moved back to Wisconsin, and I wanted to make a change again. So here I am teaching at the University of Wisconsin-Stout, my alma mater. 3 years ago, I guess it is, I decided that I wanted to update my skills again because I've been teaching for 6 years. And so I went back to school and got my master's degree in software engineering from the University of Minnesota. And so it's kind of a great degree for this class that I teach, because it really takes every topic that we learn in this class, and we have a whole semester class on each of those topics. You can never know everything in software engineering. It's a very changing field, but it's great to be a little updated. We have great conversations, and I can learn some things from you, and hopefully you will learn a whole bunch from me. I'm looking forward to the semester. I'm going to watch this video and hopefully try not to do any editing on it. I'm hitting my 3 to 5 minutes pretty much perfectly. So, thank you.